Ever put on an outfit where every piece looks great alone, but together it just looks off? It's not the clothes, it's the proportions. Here's the one rule stylists use to fix any outfit in seconds. Step 1. Break your body into thirds, not halves. An outfit split evenly at the waist, like a shirt tucked flush into pants of equal length, flattens your shape. Aim for a 1/3 to 2/3 split instead, wherever your waistline lands. Step 2. Pair volume with structure, never volume with volume. A loose sweater needs a slim or tailored pant to ground it. Two oversized pieces together erase your shape entirely. Step 3. Use tucking to create a visible waistline. A front tuck or half tuck breaks up boxy shapes and adds shape where fabric would otherwise hang flat. Even a loose shirt tucked just in the front resets the whole silhouette. Step 4. Match crop pieces with high-rise bottoms and long jackets with slimmer legs. A short jacket over wide trousers cuts you in half visually. Line up hemlines so one long line runs top to bottom. Pro tip, the most common mistake is matching proportions to trends instead of your own frame. Stand sideways in a mirror before you leave the house. What's your go-to proportion trick? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.